the halo car for the Corvette in 2024, Professor Craman, and that would be this Z06.
Well, obviously the sensation of the C8 world. Just everybody that's tested these cars are raving about it. 670 horsepower to that exotic 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8, mid-mounted 8-speed dual clutch transmission. There is that exotic engine. Twin throttle bodies. You don't see much of the engine with those big air boxes there. The exhaust tone is very unique and specific, very exotic sounding. Brand spanking new with, are you ready for this? 5 miles on the odometer. There's your 4 exhaust pipes on that.
That's a modern Corvette signature, isn't it? One of them.
Well, yeah, the regular C8, the non-Z06, has got exhaust outlets on the edges. So the Z06, they tuck them inside. Yeah, we're going to sell it. That red Corvette script on the back, an option. That matches that adrenaline red interior.
$145,000. That is your hammer price on a 2024 brand spanking new Corvette Z06.
Automatic transmission, and Shelby American was an option.